Now on this beautiful sunny day, we're going to sing a song about rain. So I want you're going to take your fingers and you're going to make the rain come down just like this. And then, if you're stuck out in the rain, you don't have an umbrella, you've got to run and get out of the rain. And then we can take our hands and gently clap them together to make the gentle pitter-patter of the raindrops. And then, pretend you're holding up your umbrella, keep yourself dry. Alright, let's sing the song together. So start with your raindrops up high, you ready? Down come the raindrops, splish, splish, splash. Let's run for cover, dash, dash, dash. Pitter patter, drip, drip, drop. I'm under my umbrella till the raindrops stop. Alright, let's sing that one more time. I'm going to play guitar this time. See if you can remember all the hand motions. So we're going to start with the raindrops up high. Down come the raindrops, splish, splish, splash. Run, let's run for cover.